In this video, you'll be learning Chapter 6, Data Description. This video covers subtopic 6.3, Measures of Dispersion. By the end of this video, you should be able to find and interpret the Pearson's coefficient of skewness. A symmetrical skewness is when we have the value of mean equals to median equals to mode. The distribution slope is as below. The diagram below shows the positive skewness. The value of mode is less than the median, and the value of median is less than the mean. And the next diagram shows the negative skewness. The value of mode is greater than the median, and the value of median is greater than the mean. Pearson's coefficient of skewness is a method developed by Pearson to find skewness in a sample using descriptive statistics like the mean and mode. Skewness is one measure of the shape of a set of data. Pearson's coefficient of skewness is calculated by multiplying the difference between the mean and median, multiplied by 3. The result is divided by the standard deviation. The second method of Pearson's coefficient of skewness is calculated by finding the difference between the mean and mode. The result is divided by the standard deviation. We can conclude that the data is positively distributed or skewed to the right if the value Pearson's coefficient of skewness is positive. A negative value of Pearson's coefficient of skewness shows a negatively distributed data or skewed to the left. Given the following sorted data, find the Pearson's coefficient of skewness. First, we need to find out the mean, mode, median, and standard deviation of the given data. To find the mean, mode, median, and standard deviation of an ungrouped data, do check on my previous video. The mean, mode, median, and standard deviation of the given data is as shown in the slide. Next, key in the values into the formula of Pearson coefficient of skewness. We can use either one of the formula given. The value of Pearson coefficient of skewness is as shown. Based on the given table, the value of Pearson coefficient of skewness shows that the data is slightly positive skewed. For the following example, we are going to calculate the value of Pearson's coefficient. Then, sketch the distribution of skewness. Take note that the given data is a grouped data. Similar to the previous example, we need to find the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of the given data. Do check my previous video on mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of a grouped data. Mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of this data is as shown. Next, key in the values obtained into the formula of Pearson coefficient. Based on the table, the value of Pearson coefficient shows the data is slightly negative skewed. Distribution of skewness is as shown.
The following table gives the frequency distribution of 291 workers of a factory according to their average monthly income in 1995 to 2005. Find the Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Then give your comment on the value obtained.